Hello, hookers. So I'm going to be teaching you the granny square, the classic granny square. And I can send you the pattern that I'm using. I'm just going to give you this visual. And yeah, so here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit chunkier yarn, and I'm on a 6.5 hook. Okay, so we're going to slip onto our hook, and we're going to start by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to close this chain and make it a circle by slipping back into the center of the very first chain that we made. Hold your chain down with your finger and your thumb and wrap your yarn, bring it through, and slip it all the way through the loop on your hook. And now I have a circle, and I'm going to put my finger there to hold it. Then I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do double crochets right into this circle. And in a second, I won't even need to hold my finger there. I'm just using it to help me right now. So I wrap, I go into the circle, bring up my yarn, wrap, go through 2, wrap, go through 2. That's our double crochet. And we're going to do it again. We're actually going to do it 3 times. So that's 2. One more time, 3. And now I'm going to chain 1. Okay? I'm going to do that cluster a total of 3 times. So here we go on the second cluster of 3 double crochets right into the center. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1. Okay? So that's our second one. Now here's our third. 1, these are double crochets, 2, and I'm giving a lot of slack to make a nice long stitch. 3, and I end this little cluster with a chain 1. Okay, so I have 3 clusters. For my last cluster, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 double crochets. 1, we're almost done with round 1. 2, right into the center. And then I'm going to close my square, and you'll see how I'm going to do that. Remember that first chain 4 that we did like a second or 2 ago, a minute or 2 ago? I'm going to count 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to slip stitch right into that chain. So I got to go under both bars, the whole stitch, so to speak. And I'm going to wrap my yarn, bring it through, keep going, go all the way through the loop on my hook. Okay, if this isn't the cutest thing, I don't know what is, because all of a sudden, what I have is a square. You see? That is the middle of the granny square. And it's just so darn cute. And each cluster is followed by a space, and that becomes a corner. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters and 4 spaces. And just like we cut our yarn when we finish any project, I'm going to cut the yarn, and I'm going to pull that loop through, give a tug there, and now I'm complete, because in a second I'm going to change colors of yarn, and I'm going to do that right into one of these spaces. These are called chain 1 spaces. Okie dokie, hookers. So that's it. That's round 1. Stay tuned for round 2.